Guys, welcome back to the new video. So today we will solve last person to fit in the bus problem number 1204. So what we are given is a queue table that holds person ID, person name, weight, and time. Person ID column contains unique values. First, this table has information about all people waiting for the bus. The person ID and the column and the turn column basically will contain all the numbers from 1 to n, where n is the number of rows in the particular table. Turn determines the order of which the people will board the bus. Okay, so turn determines. So if the turn is one, that defines that it's the first person to board the bus. If the turn is n, then that defines that the person is last to board the bus. Basically. And weight is the weight of the particular person in kilograms. Okay. Now, the condition given over here is that there's a queue of people waiting to board a bus. Okay. So we have a queue of people waiting to board the bus. However, the bus has a weight limit of 1000 kilograms. So a bus can only accommodate people basically whose weight sums up to 1000 kilograms or less than that. So there may be some people who cannot board the bus. Now we have to write a solution to find the person name of the last person that can fit on the bus without exceeding the weight limit. So there is a weight limit of 1000 kilogram basically, and we want to board the people in the bus basically, and such that we have to check the conditions such that basically all the weight sum of these people basically who are boarded the bus should not exceed 1000 kilograms. Basically. Test cases are generated such that the first person does not exceed the weight limit. We just have to give the last person that is boarding the particular. Now let's see this with the example basically. So here you can see that okay, here you can see that we have given a queue table and we have person ID, person name, weight, and turn. Okay, so turn one basically means that the Alice is the first person to board a bus. He has a weight of 250. The next person is Alex. He has a weight of 350. So when you sum this, you will get 600. So total weight of the bus will stand at 600 when Alex board the bus. And when next is a John. Next is John Cena that will board the bus, which has a weight of 400. But you can see that basically when John Cena board the bus total weight stands out to be 1000. Okay. So so any other person that is exceed in now boarding the bus will exceed this weight of 1000 kilograms basically. So the last person to board the bus will be John Cena. You can see that basically John Cena is the output. John Cena is written as a person name. That is the last person that is boarding the bus. Now, how we can do this in a query basically. So similar to this explanation basically, which is given for simplicity, we will create a total weight column that will be a total basically that will be the sum of last two people weight. So suppose Alex has a weight of 250, the total will stand as 250. And when Alex is boarding, his weight will added up to the Alex weight and we will get 600. Now, when John Cena is boarding, his weight will be added up to the total weight 600 and we will get the 1000. This is how we set up a column in Windows CT, common table expression, and we will use that common table expression and get the person name who is boarding now. So let me write the query for the same. So with CT as, so here first of all we will select your person ID, person name, weight, turn, and we will create a new column over here basically that will hold the weight sum total weight basically that will hold the total weight basically. So how we can do is we'll just use sum function on the weight column, WEIG, that's a weight column, and use the over. We'll order it by the turn basically because we want this weight sum to be based on the order of the turn. So we'll order by turn, our section is total, from which table we are getting this from show table. Okay, so here this city will hold person ID, person name, weight, turn, and sum of weight over order by turn as total. So this column that we are generating is similar to this total column present over here. Basically, it will just sum up the preceding person's weight. Basically, so like 250 for 250. Basically, for Alice it will be 250. For Alex it will be 350 plus 250, that is 600. For John Cena it will be 350, 250 plus 400, that is will be 1000. Okay, this is what the total column will represent. Now, in our main query, we are selecting the person name from your common table expression CT. Now here you will filter out where your total column weight should not exceed 1000. So we'll put the less than equals to 1000, and we'll order it by total column in descending because we want last person name. We will order it by total column in descending, and we'll limit one because we only want last person to be written. So it will limit it one. Basically, from CT, that's common table expression, we are getting the person name where your total column should not exceed 1000 weight limit basically, and we are ordering it by total descending so that this whole table gets sorted in a descending order basically. So the most total the highest total weight value will be represent first, and we will limit it to 1. Okay, so when you run this query, you can see that our query got accepted and the desired output matches with the expected output, and it's John Cena over here. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.